Hello and welcome back. Part two of solving the word problem that we have here. Distance equals rate times time. I introduced this problem and went over some skill review in part one. And for part two, I would love to go through and answer this particular problem. And so, listen, if you have some problems that you would like me to work on and help you out, please take a picture from your study book or write it down and take a picture. Send it to me to my Facebook page, and I'll be able to help to determine not only the skills you need to review, but also how to answer these questions step by step. And so let's get right into it and review. Traveling at an average speed of 60 miles per hour, right? Miles per hour, mph, north. Jimmy drives 300 miles. So we have the rate of speed, we have the distance, and we're looking for time. So Jimmy waits 5 hours. Then he makes the same trip south. So the same trip is 300 miles at 60 miles per hour. South, it's the same. What is the total duration or the time of his trips? So now we're looking at total time. So we've been given the rate, 60 miles per hour. We've been given the distance, 300 miles. And many people, or some people, or just a few people might think, oh, they gave us the time. They gave us 5 hours. Well, don't be tricked into thinking that they gave you 5 hours just because they gave you the time, just because they gave you 5 hours. Right? What does it say here? Jimmy waits 5 hours. That had nothing, this 5 hours has nothing to do with the travel time, right? Distance, 300 miles, rate, 60 miles per hour. 5 hours would be the time you need to fill in. Some people would think, oh, 5 hours, that's the time in filling in the formula. No, 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 no. That's the wait time. Now, that is important because that is included in the total duration of time, right? So the time it takes to get 300 miles traveling north at 60 miles per hour, plus the time it takes to get 300 miles south traveling 60 miles per hour, plus the 5 hour wait time. That would give you the total duration of time. Okay, so you want to make sure you read these throughout and you understand. If you got to read 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, do it. If you got to draw a picture, do it. Whatever it takes to understand the question. So distance, 300 miles, equals rate, 60 miles per hour, times time. So we got a distance equals rate times time problem. Let's go ahead and work through here the options. A, it takes 10 hours. B, it takes 7.5 hours. C, it takes 15 hours. And D, it takes 13.5 hours. So I'd like to show you here, this is the formula, right? Distance equals rate times the time. And they gave me the D value, that's the distance, 300 miles. So I'm going to substitute 300 for D. Equals. They gave me the rate, 60 miles per hour, right? So I'm going to substitute 60 for the R. They did not give me the time other than the wait time in between the trip, which was not the time it took to travel 300 miles at 60 miles per hour. I won't know that yet until I solve for T, right? What is my time to go 60 miles per hour to travel 300 miles? All right, so we substitute our values. Now it's a one-step equation. 60 times t. What's the inverse? What's the opposite of multiplying 60 times t? Again, I want to get t all by itself. I want to eliminate that 60 and get t by itself so I know what the time is it takes to travel 300 miles going 60 miles per hour. So what do? I divide both sides by 60. 60 divided by 60 is 1t. 300 divided by 60 is 5. Oh, 5 hours. That's interesting. So the travel time is 5 hours, but you don't want to assume that. You want to substitute the values and solve for t. But 5 hours, that's only one way. That's only one way. If you were to add 5 hours plus the 5-hour wait time, that would give you option A, 10 hours. But that would be incorrect. So remember, he traveled north, he traveled south, and I want to show you here, one way north was 5 hours, plus the wait time, which was 5 hours, plus the other way south, which was another 5 hours. So we have 5 times 3, or 5 plus 5 plus 5. It turns out the distance one way was 5 hours, but don't be tricked. Don't be tricked into thinking that you had to solve for t in order to determine that was 5 hours. One way is 5 hours. The other way was 5 hours. There was a wait time in between. The total duration of time was 15 hours. The answer is C, 15 hours. Hey, hopefully this has helped you in understanding some of these test questions. You'll see this is distance equals rate times times. Math is easy. Take it step by step. And remember, hey, if I've helped you out, please help me to continue making these videos for you by donating a star or a gift. Thank you so much for your time.